Guangzhou SIPUXIN Light Industry Machinery Company Limited is an intelligent manufacturer engaged in cosmetics, chemical, pharmaceutical, food machinery. Main products including vacuum homogenizing emulsifier, mixing tank, water treatment, storage tank, filling, capping, labeling machines. SIPUXIN have passed CE quality certificates. Our equipment is in accordance with the hygienic standard of cosmetics production. SIPUXIN is an infinitely innovation enterprise with social commitment. Our modern factory occupies 8,500 square meters. Agents in Israel, Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and America. We have advanced hardware, software facilities with precise testing processes, rigorous process control, and implement standardized operations. Through CAD and 3D simulation, we are capable of simulating the operation of equipment on entire production line, easily making clients clear about working flow of the entire project, bringing clients professional and real product effect. 500 featured models in 2,000 square meters modern showroom. Our professional sales team is able to help clients select the most suitable model equipment. Furthermore, we are able to customize new equipment according to client's special request. We support customers' one-stop turnkey service from GMP purification room decoration, formula, raw material, packing material, equipment model selection, machine layout design, abroad installation, operation training, hand-to-hand guide clients produce the first batch products for cream sauce line, liquid washing line, perfume line, toothpaste line, wax line, lipstick line, urea fertilizer line. We will keep on repaying customers' care via exquisite craftsmanship and continual improvement in product design, manufacturing, quality, and service. Choosing SIPUXIN machinery, wise choice makes success.